Good morning. It's boat day, but this is what I'm wearing. I bought this outer yesterday at Jangsilon Mall. It's kind of cute, and my stomach's acting up. I've been having these intense stomach cramps, and I've been pooping a lot, so I'll be on a boat for the whole day. And it's currently 7:45, I think, and they're supposed to pick us up at 7:30, but we're running late, so. They got complimentary food and drinks.
First, have someone have a problem with your back pain, neck pain, leg pain, or back operations under 1 year. And 1 year, no? It's good. Because if someone has a problem with your body, everyone please sit in the back side of the boat. Okay. What is my name again?
Mona!
Mona darling. Or Mona Lisa is okay. Okay. And everyone on this boat don't have only me. Another tour guide that's Mona teach you already. Her name is Dada. Dada is our tour guide. And today we have two tour guides for you, okay? If you need some help or you need something, like take a photo, like you need some drinking water, put your hand up to the sky. Mona and Dada will tell you and help you, okay? And we don't have only me and Dada. One guy, very handsome, my ex-husband. Just kidding. Our Kapitan, if don't have him, Mona no idea to drive a boat. Because I cannot drive a boat. Everyone, please clap hands for our Kapitan, Mr. Banana. Oh, easy to remember, big banana.
We just got off of the boat. It's a bit rocky, hard to walk on. I didn't film much earlier because my dad fell. So yeah. We're at Maya Beach or Maya Bay Beach. I think I forgot the name.
Everyone, when you go to the swimming area, if you see somewhere in the shallow water, do not step on the coral.
쟤?
Around here is a baby doll, monkey bay, and swimming area.
We're at the monkey beach. I'm just gonna look at them from a distance. Yikes, monkeys.
Yes, you can see a lot of hotels, bungalows, resorts, hospital, Burger King, pizza company, many restaurants, souvenir shop, everything on this island. Also the school, bank, police station, everything on this island. So that's why I call this area is the city area. And we stop here for lunch. We stay here until 2:20. 2:20. Come back to the boat together. Okay, everyone. Your big bag, big belongings, you can leave here. Only your phone, your money, if you want to buy something.
We're going to a restaurant to eat now. We just finished eating. My stomach's still hurting, but it's better now. Back on land. Oh my god, this is not hard. I can't wait to change out of my wet clothes. We're back at the hotel. This is what I wore after changing out of my swimsuit. And we're gonna head out for a little walk and then have lunch. My stomach's still feeling sick, so I'm not gonna vlog anymore for the rest of the nights because I just wanna shower and then sleep the sickness off.